Maybe, my Lord, this section also lends credit to the fact that, to the argument, my Lord, that I wasn't very deliberate in killing the children. And maybe, my Lord, the other evidence could show with more certainty that I wasn't very deliberate in the deaths of the 4 children, my Lord. So moving on. Okay.
Naina ebire by'omu maaso ebitangaavu, naina bazadde bange ab'okulabirira nti nali business man ng'era njolekedde okuyitamu ng'era n'obulamu bwange bw'omu maaso
I did in fact make the searches and did those actions, but there was factors that were forcing me. I didn't even do so willingly still then. And then it comes to the conclusion of defense, my Lord, that I didn't do any of this actually intentionally. I mean, in the legal sense of the word. As I play to my so to summarize the intentional murder section, we're going to say defense doesn't believe.
You.
Yeah, I don't. Huh? I don't believe that. I did this murder intentionally, as legally defined, and then that's one reason, my Lord, why the charges, all the 4 counts, my Lord, should not be honored, my Lord. So, my Lord, I will explain separately in a different section how I came to think and act that way. I'll explain how or why I believe I was forced to act that way.
Please proceed and explain.
Now?
Yes.
Yes, shortly. No, it's not going to be very long. The whole defense is very short, but for organization's sake, I think, my lord, we should just keep the order here. Yes. Okay. So to support this, to support the argument that I didn't do this intentionally as described in this section, we're going to rely on the exhibits that have already been submitted by the prosecution. Yeah, and the charge and caution statement, the plain police statement also. So moving on. Here I'm going to in this section, I'm going to describe why I was forced to, how I believe I didn't very willingly make the police statements. Yeah, in this section, I believe I'm just going to describe. It's very short. How I believe that I didn't make the police statements and some of the other evidence that was.
Mr. Okello, that one you said it already, and I have it on record. That
Yeah.
you were forced to.
Yeah, I must. I should describe.
That one I already have it on record. You can now give me something else.
Maybe not, my lord.
Is that all?
No, there's more, but I like us to be sure that we have this on record, my lord.
Yes, we do. You said that the prosecution tendered in a plain statement and a confession that you said that you killed, where you confessed that you killed the children for wealth or for riches.
Yes.
But you were forced to write that statement and you had no...
I believe that. I believe so. Yeah.
So that one, I have it on record.
But I should say here that these are the witnesses I'm going to rely on. And this is the evidence also that I'm going to rely on. That's what I wanted to complete here.
Your witnesses, yesterday we recorded them, and there was a prayer from your lawyers that we shouldn't disclose their identities, and so I don't want you to mention your witnesses.
Okay, my lord. Moving on. In the next section, my lord, I'm going to try to show how it seemed unlikely that I could have conceived even an idea like that. And though it doesn't directly support the arguments that I didn't do it, it can indirectly. We believe so, my Lord, that this section could help to support the contention that the accused did not intentionally commit did not intentionally kill the 4 children, my Lord. So moving on.
Is that all?
No, we're still moving. Moving on. So in this section, I'm going to say the defense contends that the accused.
Yourself, and what is your defense?
The accused.
You are the accused.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to contend that I am a person said to be of generally good moral character, and is also said to be affectionate and kind, and is also very busy, and he's said to be focused on his work, and is very, very hardworking. Some have said that he's fairly prosperous, maybe by Ugandan standards, and resourceful. And in light of this circumstantial evidence, it helps, or it lends credit to the argument, my Lord, that I